make a comparison based on more than 2 groups. Kita akan buat perbezaan lebih daripada 2 kumpulan. And this data, for example, is not normal. So this one is non-parametric. We want to test it against following, iaitu working areas. Apa dia? Working areas. Sama je macam tadi sebenarnya. Menu dia pun sebenarnya sama. Cara dia seperti berikut. Ya. Analyze, non-parametric legacy dialog dan juga K independent sample. Saya ulang. Analyze, non-parametric legacy dialog, K independent samples. What is the null? There is no difference of the statistical score between these working areas. What is the alternative? There is different. So how to do that? We need to use the non-parametric as an example because the data is normal actually, but we try to hypothetically saying that the data is not normal. And how to run? Analyze, non-parametric, legacy dialog, K, independent samples. After that, you are going to insert the test variable. You may insert the score inside the test variable list and then followed by the grouping variable, which is our what? Our current working environment, X4. And then you are going to insert those things inside the grouping variables. And remember, you need to define the range. The definition of the range is a little bit different because we need to specify what is the range available in our dataset. So, range kita adalah 1 hingga 3. Kemudian, you boleh tekan butang continue. And then you find out that the test value as default is going to be specified as Kruskal-Wallis H. And then you can click the paste button over there. And it's going to generate the syntax. Okay. And then you can run. Apabila anda highlight dan run, dia akan bagilah apa yang dipanggil sebagai asymptotic significant at the 0.036. Which is there is less than alpha or more than alpha? Less than alpha. Ya. 0.036 ya, tuan-tuan dan perempuan. Less than ke more than? Less than. Reject or fail to reject? Reject. Apakah conclusion dia? That is different. There is nothing to conclude because I am so tired. Boleh kan jawab macam tu? Boleh. Sebab saya dah faham dah daripada riak muka kamu. Saya dah faham. Kalau kita tangguh lagi nanti sampai petang nanti lagi kicap. Mari kita habiskan je dulu ni. Okey, 0.036 maknanya data ini menunjukkan there is a difference. There is a difference between health clinic, hospital and academic institute. However, apa dia? However, we do not have the another matrices, namely as apa? Median dengan IQR. Macam mana cara nak buat paling senang? Ambil yang sebelah atas, copy. Tampallah di bawahnya X4. Tukarlah X7 ni kepada X4. Okey, jelas? Hanya dengan melakukan sedemikian rupa, maka jika anda reanalyze balik, maka anda akan dapat kesemuanya serentak. Boleh? Itulah cara dia. Senang ke susah? Senang. Tapi kalau anda nak pilih jalan yang susah, boleh tak? Boleh. Cara dia macam mana? Pergi pada data, pergi kepada split file, pergi kepada mana? Oh, reset dulu. Pergi kepada X4, pergi kepada compare group, tekan group based on, tekan paste, tekan run, whatsoever, analyze, lepas tu descriptive statistic, lepas tu pergi kat mana? Pergi dekat frekuensi, lepas tu masukkan variable, apa variable anda nak, masukkan score, lepas tu tekan reset dulu, lepas tu masukkan score ni, masukkan score ke dalam ni, tekan statistik, ambil median, ambil quartile, ambil continue. Lepas itu tekan butang display frequency table ni, uncheckkan dia, tekan paste dan run. Lepas tu jangan lupa tekan butang apa? Split file off. Oh, tak nak juga tekan split file off, boleh pergi kepada data, pergi kepada split file, tekan butang reset. Kemudian anda boleh tekan butang paste. So itulah cara yang jalan dia susah, tetapi objektif dia sama. So anda pilihlah. The choice is in your hand. Okay, tuan-tuan dan puan sekalian. So the another choice is actually copy my syntax. That is the very clever choice. Betul tak? So that is what I'm going to do now lah kan. So saya percaya makin lama makin tinggi level kicap tuan-tuan dan puan. So it is understandable that the kicap is quite significant influence all of you today. So I may share my syntax dalam day 2. So tuan-tuan dan puan boleh tengok day 2 dan gunakanlah semua yang kita bincangkan tadi. Okay, selesai. Last. Dalam bab differences lah. Lepas ni kita nak belajar correlation pula ya. Okey, kemudian kita akan pergi kepada yang terakhir dinamakan sebagai Wilcoxon rank test. Okey, untuk Wilcoxon sama juga ya tuan-tuan dan puan. Anda akan buat perkara berikut tetapi ada sedikit perbezaan. So let us recap back what is the step. So the step, of course, you need to run the 5 steps of hypothesis testing. So what is the first step? The first step is making the null and alternative hypothesis. But before that, let's